Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakai Tech. If you're searching for an affordable, high-quality tablet that delivers an incredible entertainment experience without draining your wallet, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet to see what makes it one of the most popular daily use devices on the market. Right off the bat, the absolute star of the show is this vibrant 10.1-inch Full HD display. Boasting crisp 1080p resolution, the panel delivers vivid colors, deep contrast, and surprisingly sharp text detail. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies and shows on Prime Video, Netflix, and Disney+, catching up on news articles, or diving into a good Kindle ebook, everything looks remarkably clear. To complement the visual experience, Amazon paired the screen with dual integrated stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos. The audio output is punchy and well-balanced, giving you an immersive mini theater feel right in the palm of your hands without immediately needing external headphones. Under the hood, the Fire HD 10 is driven by a responsive octa-core processor paired with generous RAM and 32GB of built-in internal storage. Everyday navigation feels smooth and snappy, apps open quickly, switching between split-screen multitasking is seamless, and casual mobile gaming runs effortlessly. If 32GB isn't enough for your growing collection of offline movies, music, and heavy apps, don't worry. You can effortlessly expand the storage capacity up to 1TB simply by popping in a microSD card into the side slot, giving you virtually endless room for all your digital media. In terms of ergonomics and build quality, Amazon crafted this generation to be thinner, noticeably lighter, and far more comfortable to hold during long reading or viewing sessions. Despite the slimmed-down profile, the chassis remains durable enough to handle everyday drops, bumps, and casual transport in a backpack. Battery life is another major highlight here. With up to 13 hours of continuous mixed-use power on a single charge, you can easily get through full-day travels, long flights, or weekend series marathons without constantly searching for a power outlet. When it is time to recharge, the USB-C port ensures modern, fast, and hassle-free connectivity. For staying connected with family, friends, or remote work meetings, the tablet features an upgraded 5MP front-facing camera that handles Zoom calls, Skype meetings, and video chats with impressive clarity and natural skin tones. Additionally, built-in hands-free Alexa integration turns this tablet into a smart home hub. You can pause videos, check the weather forecast, set timers, control smart lighting, or play your favorite playlists using simple voice commands from across the room. Overall, the Amazon Fire HD 10 easily stands out as one of the best value-for-money media tablets available today, striking a fantastic balance between display quality, long battery life, and smooth day-to-day performance. If you found this detailed review helpful, please hit that like button. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Zakai Tech for more practical tech reviews, audio gear tests, and hands-on gadget showcases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.